Hey loves, welcome to another day in our 30 days content creation tutorial. Season's greetings to you guys. How are you guys doing? Today, we're going to be going into something real sweet, something real like the most important thing of all, okay, which is creating a YouTube channel, okay? We're actually going to be creating a YouTube channel today. We're going to be setting it up like everything it takes for you to have your dashboard clean, working and popping. Okay, so are you ready for this video? Let's go right into it. To create a YouTube channel, we'll be making use of the YouTube app and not the YouTube studio. So I'll tap on the YouTube app and it brings me to this dashboard. Okay, now look beneath. You're going to see where you appear down here. Now this is like this because I already have a channel. I'm gonna go straight and tap on switch account. So I'll switch account and go for the account I want to use. So I'm gonna be using the account we created the other time, Tina. So I tap on it. Okay, so I haven't used this account for the first time. This is the first time I am using it. Okay, so it's taking some time to get started. So I'm just going to go down to this point right here and tap on it. So you can see create a channel. Now you tap on create a channel. Okay, now before now you should have the name you want to use for your channel ready, the picture you will use as a profile picture ready, the banner you created ready. Okay, then if you have links that you want to actually add to, you should keep it ready. Okay, so let's go. So we have, this is where you will appear. Okay, so you can choose to change your photo. So the first option says change your photo or take a new one. So you click on it, takes you to your gallery, then you choose a photo you would like to use for the channel. Okay, a photo that will be as your channel picture. All right, so you can choose anything. I just choose this star because I don't have anything I'm currently doing with this channel, so I have this saved. So it's going to appear at that top corner there. You can see that. Okay, now it says the name of your channel. So what name do you want your channel to be? This is where you will type it in. Although you have chances of changing this after 14 days, okay, so you type the name of the channel you want. I'll just leave it at Tina because I really don't want to use this channel right now. Okay, then I tap on save, the name will be there. So right now I have been given a handle, and this handle I can actually change it to what I think I like. If it's available, YouTube will give it to me. If it's not available, YouTube will still let you know, right? So I'll just leave it at this because this is just for tutorial sake. So I'll tap on save. Okay, now I have the option say create channel. Once I tap on this, a channel is created. Okay, so I tap on it. Channel created. You can see that. So right now I have a new channel. This is my new channel, Tina. Okay, so let me refresh it for you to see. This is now how my dashboard is looking. Okay, so I'll just tap on this place to do other stuff. So I'll go to where this place where there is pen, tap on it. This is where you can always come to edit whatever you want to edit. Now they say add your channel description. Now this place is very important. It's very important that you take your time, write what your channel is about here, like the basic things you'll be doing in your channel, especially those basic hashtags you'll be using in your channel for hashtags. So add those words right here in your description so that it can always tarry. Okay, now you can actually add your YouTube banner right here. So you tap on it, it's going to take you to choose from photos and you will pick your YouTube banner. Okay, so like I said in a previous video, if you don't know how to create your YouTube banner, check out other videos. We have lots of video and we have a video where you can actually learn how you can create your YouTube banner. So you just zoom in and fit it in, okay, to match. All right, then tap on save, okay, and your banner will appear right here and your channel. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. So this is what your channel will look like. Anyone who visits your channel will see something like this. This is where I'll call it short for today's video. If you see me for the first time, hello love, welcome to the channel. This channel has been here though we left, but right now we are back and better. So you can actually join us simply by subscribing if you have intention of creating a YouTube channel, or you are already in this process but you are not seeing results. Come right here, I have gist for you. That's not all. I'm still gonna be sharing my knowledge on other things I know that I think is worth sharing. Okay, like what is knowledge without sharing? Anyway, let's call it short here. See you in our next one, and bye for now.